If you've hired a new team member who doesn't know how to use WordPress, or you don't want to give them your credentials so soon, but you need them to apply some changes to the affiliate links you created with the Thirsty Affiliates plugin, they can do it using Excel or Google Sheets, and in this video we'll show you how to do it. We'll start by exporting the columns that we'll edit, and we'll import them back with the updated information using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. After we have installed and activated the plugin, we'll need to set up the affiliate link spreadsheet. To do so, go to WP Sheet Editor, then to Set Up Spreadsheet and select the Affiliate Links option. Then save to continue. Here, select the columns you want to display in the spreadsheet. This side shows all the columns that will be visible in the spreadsheet. And this one shows all the columns that will not. When you have finished selecting the columns that will be displayed and those that won't, you'll have to save to generate the linked spreadsheet. Then, you'll see all the affiliate links in the spreadsheet. Each row will be an affiliate link and each column will be a field. If you need to export your affiliate links to Excel, Google Sheets, or any CSV file editor, we'll show you how to easily do it. First, we'll open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all the columns. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we exported is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you only have to edit the information, which in this case we already did, and then save the file if you are working with Excel, but we are working with Google Sheets, so we will download the file. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file in a WordPress field so that the updated information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here, and your import process will start. In a few seconds, all your affiliate links will be imported, and you'll see the updated information displayed in the spreadsheet. As you can see, thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin, exporting all your affiliate links to a CSV file to edit it with Excel or Google Sheets and importing it with all that new information to WordPress is very easy, and the best thing is that you can do it all in a matter of minutes. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.